Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button now and also hit the bell icon to get our future notifications. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple, the most traditional kuchu design. All we have used is this 3mm gold beads. It's a very good design if you are just starting to learn kuchu, and it looks very elegant on any silk saree. So without any delay, let's get started. I've taken 8 strands of silk thread in the needle and I've not joined the edges, but I've kept one end long and the other end short. Also using these gold beads, 3mm is the size of these beads. So for the first step, we'll have to make this knot. So we'll insert this bead in the needle. I've left a 1 finger gap here and then pierce it into the fabric. And then go back into the bead. Now leave about 4 to 5 inches long and then cut the thread. So we'll repeat the same thing once again. This time we'll leave a very little gap. I'm doing the exact same thing. So once you've got both the beads, now all you have to do is, holding both these threads together, you'll have to knot it. Make sure to place the knot in the center, and this is where we'll tie our bunch. So this will be the first step. You can use any type of beads. Here I have just used round beads. Instead you can use flower beads, or you can also use crystals. Anything of your choice you can use. The next step is to add these bunches. I have used 2 colors from the saree, that is green and pink, and I have made it alternate. For this I have taken 120 strands of silk thread. I have ironed it with a hair straightener and glued the end like this. So now we'll just insert this in this gap. Make sure both the beads are completely visible, because when you fold the tassel like this, the beads tend to go below the thread. So just make sure both beads are out, and then you will need a needle and 2 strands of zari to tie this. Make 3 knots like this. And then pass below the zari, and then trim the tassel. The length of this tassel completely depends on you. If you want to keep it short, you can keep it very short, or if you like it long, you can keep it long. So here's the final outcome of this design. Like already mentioned, you can use any beads for this design. Even crystals would look very, very pretty. If the saree has more colors, say 4 or 5 colors, you can use all the colors from the saree. It's a very simple design, and I guess all of you must try this. So if you have any doubts, please leave your questions below in the comment section. So I guess that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. I'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Bye bye.